One of the things that makes people to come buy from you or to come service with you is seeing the images you post about yourself and about your businesses and services, like stunning images, stunning pictures, beautiful ones that attracts people. Now people see this post, they see these images, they see these pictures of you, the pictures of your business, and they're so attracted to it. It is what makes people to come to buy from you. But you and I know that getting these stunning pictures, images done for you in the studio these days is way too expensive. The last time I took a studio shoot, one picture was charged for 5,000 naira, 5,000 Nigerian money, naira, and it's a big one, and not now, like 5 years ago. So that is why today I want to show you in this video how you can make stunning pictures, beautiful images of you, your business, your service, and everything about you to be posting on the media, the platforms where you are, that will attract people. When they see it, they'll come rushing for your service, come rushing to buy from you, come rushing to business with you. You see yourself, dressed in gorgeous, beautiful dresses with hairstyles that are so stunning that people will shake their head when they see it. Those are the things we are going to learn on this video. So thank you for being here. Don't skip this video. Keep watching for you to see the end result of everything we are going to do, because I'm going to take you from the basic to the least thing you need to learn about creating stunning pictures, images of yourself and your business, right? So don't go away. So hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Ifeoma Joy and this is Ifeoma Joy TV. On this channel we talk about business tips, business ideas, personal growth, and we spice it up with biblical principles. So if it's your first time of getting to this corner, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them. And to my return subscribers, thank you for always being here. So like I said, today we will be creating stunning pictures, images of ourselves and our businesses that will help us push our business high to a greater level, right? So stick by as we go right into the studio to create these images. All right guys, we go right into the training aspect where we get to create stunning photos, images for ourselves and our brand that will make your brand stand out, make your post stand out, make people engage in your post. It will attract a lot of people, just like I said before. So let's get right in. So for this practical aspect, we need just our phone, right? Our phone, and get access to ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Okay, it is Gemini AI we are going to use. So let's start with creating our prompt, okay? Because prompt is the first thing and it matters so much. Your prompt is what brings the image. So understanding your prompt is very, very critical here, okay? You must know how to be specific in listing out what you want or giving it information, giving the AI information of what you want. Be very, very discreet with it. Mention everything you need. If it comes to number of people, if it comes to the color you want, if it comes to the tribe you want, it comes to the kind of clothing you want, the hairstyle, the kind of eyeglasses, everything that you need is what you need to focus on, okay? So in order to get a better prompt, you just need to focus, like begin to imagine, build imagination inside of you. Oh, what do I want to achieve? What kind of image do I need? Because the kind of features you give to it when describing with your prompt, that will determine the kind of image the AI is going to create for you. And that is why you ought to be very, 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 descriptive when describing the kind of image you have, okay? So to get my prompt, I usually go to my WhatsApp AI. Yes, there's an AI attached to your WhatsApp, which means that you don't need to download the ChatGPT, okay? You just go to your WhatsApp. That is if you already have someone shared the link to get it with you, the link to connect it to your WhatsApp contact, okay? Someone shared me the link, and so I connected it to my WhatsApp, and so I can share to anybody. So if you want it to be shared to you, you can private chat me so that we'll get access to your WhatsApp number and share it with you. So because with it, you don't need to download the app again into your phone. Okay, so the first thing we do is to go to Chat GTP. Like I said, it's right here. Look at it on top here, Chat GTP. I had to pin it there because I use it at all times to create a lot of things. Even it creates image, but not like the Gemini AI, because this one is not the pro version of Chat GTP. Okay, so you click on it, and now if it's for your business, you can type I'm into online and offline business training and personal growth strategies. Okay, so I need you to create a prompt for my brand image. You can say images, you can say image. Okay, then you send it. Let's see what it brings. Okay, now we have what it brings here. Design a bold and professional brand image for a female entrepreneur in bold. This is the prompt. Okay, now let me copy the prompt. Copy it, and then we head on to Gemini AI. So for this, I'm going to, because I don't have it downloaded on my phone, you can see it at Play Store to download on your phone if you use Android. I don't know of iPhone if there's any access to download it. Okay, so if you could not download, just go direct to your browser using the Chrome. Click on Chrome, and then you type Gemini. Can you see it here? Because I've been using it, so it appeared immediately. So we click on it. Yeah, here we are. Most times when you log in, when you get to this area, it shows you sponsored. If you see sponsored, just pass, okay, and scroll up to get to where you don't see sponsored again. Okay, like this first one now doesn't have sponsored, so I can easily click on it. So here it is open, and it says ask Gemini, what do you want Gemini to do for you? Okay, that is what it's saying, ask. Okay, in this I just want to create, you can use it to create videos, but for you to get videos you need to subscribe to the pro version. Okay, to get an 8 seconds video. Okay, you can write anything for you, it can help you learn, it can help you create images, which is what we are particularly using it for here. So this is what I'll do. I'm going to upload, I'm going to paste the prompts. Okay, and because I use ChatGPT, it might have added some things that I don't need, so I delete them. Okay, then here too I delete. Now if you can see what is written there, it says design a bold and professional brand image for a female entrepreneur in both online and offline business and personal growth strategies. The design should include elements that represent business, like a briefcase, chart, or digital icons. Personal growth, like a plant growing like bulb or a staircase, and connectively like globe or network lines. Use modern, you see it's explaining what it should use. Okay, so if at all I want to add an image of mine, I click on this plus button, because if there's an image of a human that's supposed to appear there, then it should be mine, right? So I click there, then I click on upload files, and it directs me to media picker, then directs me to where I'm going to pick an image, okay, for what I want to design. Let's say I want to use this image, then you click on select, so it comes directly to this particular area, okay, where you have pasted your prompts. And now we want to create, so we click here so that it creates what we want. Okay, so let's watch out to see the kind of image it's going to bring out for us. Okay, still loading. Yeah, it's done loading. Can you see? So beautiful. Okay, so beautiful. You look at the face, it looks a bit like me. Sometimes it's not giving you 100% what you actually want, but it's going to do it well. Like, look at this one: empower, grow, succeed. Can you see? Very beautiful, in line with the prompt given. Okay, so if you want to download, you click on the signal, on this icon here, and it downloads fully into your phone, right? Then you go back again. If you want to create another one, you can create as many as you like. Okay, so let's say I want to use the prompt I've been using before. We have this one here. So for me to create an image of myself, I want to copy what I already have, the kind of prompt I already have here, then I paste it here. Okay, Yeah, it's already pasted there. Then I click on this to get myself an image. I click on upload files, media picker, and then here it opens up. Okay, I can decide to use any of the faces here. Okay, let's say I want to use this, so click on select, and here we are. Make a realistic image of the subject. Uploaded, holding a Nigerian flag and praying for Nigeria. She's putting on a long gown with Nigerian flag color, green, white, green. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, see, it has created it. Actually, it recreated what it has given me before, and that was because I copied the prompt directly. Okay, you can decide to change your prompt to any style you want it to come up with. You can decide to change it to anybody you want to have access to it at the point where you are trying to create images. Okay, so this is it. Beautiful. All right, if you want to download, you click on the icon here to download. You can click on the icon here to download. Okay, me, I'm not downloading because I already have it. So let's try another one. You can say 100%. Okay, let's spell percent. Resemblance. Okay, 100% create an image using the uploaded photo or image. An image using the uploaded photos of a beautiful Nigerian lady in her office. She is an identity coach. She has a bone straight hairstyle with a light make-up. She is putting on a beautiful long gown, befitting an identity coach. You now pick your image, upload file, media picker, so here we are. You can pick any one of them. Yep, let's take this. Okay, let's take this. You click on select and it brings you here. Okay, then you create. Let's wait for a few seconds to see what it's going to give us. So it is still creating. Here we are. Wow, I didn't even tell it to give a sitting position. Oh, so just see the face now. See the face now. Embrace your true self. Your true self. So it can make mistake. It can make mistakes. So that is why we ought to be careful. And if at all it didn't give you the exact thing you need, just try to reframe the prompt again and then show it, send it again to see what it's going to give you. Okay, so see how beautiful this one looks like. Wow, like so beautiful. So this, I'm going to download it because I would use it for my posting today. Wow, so good. So this is how to make your stormy images. You can decide to do as many as possible. You can make for your snacks, you can make for the kind of business you do. Just get, imagine what you need, then imagine the characteristics in that thing you need, that particular object or that particular person, that thing that you, as in the way you need the person to come out. Everything, just explain to it. It's going to give you full details. Just give it full details, and it's going to bring it out just like you have explained, except you miss out something before it gives you something that is not exactly what you want. Because all the way I've been using this, it gives me 100% what I actually asked for my prompt. Okay, so you download, I think I've downloaded it before, so it is there. So this is where we call it a day. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos whenever we upload. Thank you so much. Yay! I hope you have learned something, right? So I need you to create your own images. Let me see your own results in the comment section. Hope it was easy. I know it's easy. If you find anything difficult in it, just put it at the comment section for me. I'll check on it and I'll reply you accordingly. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Share to other people. Share to your family, your friends, and people around you that need to learn about this. Thank you for being there. God bless you.